Hey guys, welcome to Bacon and Right. For today's episode, we're exploring the difference between bone in and bone out. The most popular one that everyone's been having is obviously bone out. And I'm used to bone in. I've always been having bone in, and I think this is going to be the most fair comparison you've ever seen. Since I've already made a video about steak, we're not going to go into any detail at all really. I'm doing the same thing as before. I'm dry brining both of them. So to do this, I put an even layer of salt on both sides, and I left it overnight on a cooling rack for air circulation. And as you can see, for the bone out steak, I literally just took a bone in one and I cut out the meat. And so this will be a very fair comparison. And I'm using ribeye. So after about 24 hours in the fridge, you can see that we took these guys out. We put some black pepper and garlic powder. Then we seared them on both sides, like always, on the cast iron. Then after searing them, we put some butter, some rosemary, and then they were done. So now for the taste test. So here's the bone in, completely overcooked, obviously, because it's not an even cook because of the bone. So I'm just gonna give it a try. So super rubbery, very tough, not very good. Then I tried the bone out. I saw something that I've never seen before. I've never been able to achieve when I cook steaks, me and my brother, an even doneness. Okay, everything was perfect medium rare and super tender. I mean, I cut through it like paper with a not very good knife, and it was the best steak I've ever had. Super tender, super juicy, and this steak that we use, it doesn't have a lot of fat at all. Really, there's almost no fat that exists. And it was incredible. So I'm showing off this mountain biking clip. Me and my brother went to Santa Cruz. So we went mountain biking for like 6 hours. I don't think it was worth it personally. But I'm just going to say some things. So in the end, we decided that bone out was better. Only because you could get an even amount of doneness. Completely even medium rare. When you get bone in, for some reason, you have completely well done on the outside, then in the middle it's kind of gets like medium, and then when you get closer to the bone it just gets more medium rare, and then at some point it's rare, and I don't like that. I don't like rare, and I really don't like well done. Too tough or just too raw for my taste. So I definitely think that bone out is the best way to go. Hey, looks, that's my brother falling.